Imagine you're starting your investment journey. You've done your research, you've decided on a strategy, and you're ready to take the plunge. But then you come across Raiz, a popular investment platform that promises to make investing easy and accessible. But there's one thing that might give you pause: the fees. Today, we're going to dive deep into the Raiz fees and see if they're actually too high. We'll break down the different fees you'll encounter, compare them to other investment platforms, and ultimately, help you decide if Raiz is the right choice for you. Let's start by understanding the different fees that Raiz charges. There are three main types of fees. Management fee. This is a percentage fee charged on your total investment. It's essentially the cost of Raiz managing your portfolio. Transaction fee. This fee is charged whenever you buy or sell an asset within your Raiz account. Currency conversion fee. If you invest in foreign assets, you'll be charged a fee to convert your local currency. Now, let's talk about the management fee. Raiz charges a management fee of 0.17%. This is relatively low compared to many other investment platforms. However, it's important to note that this fee is charged on your total investment, regardless of your portfolio's performance. Next, we have the transaction fee. Raiz charges a transaction fee of 0.3% for buying and selling assets. This is also on the lower side compared to some other platforms. However, it's worth considering if you plan to trade frequently, as these fees can add up over time. Finally, there's the currency conversion fee. Raiz charges a fee of 0.65% for converting currencies. This can be a significant cost if you invest in foreign assets. However, it's important to note that many other platforms charge similar fees. So, are Raiz fees too high? The answer is, it depends. If you're a long-term investor who plans to make minimal trades, the management and transaction fees are relatively low. However, if you're a frequent trader or invest in foreign assets, the fees might be more of a concern. It's also important to compare Raiz fees to other investment platforms. While Raiz fees are competitive, there are other platforms that offer even lower fees. If you're willing to do a bit more research and manage your portfolio yourself, you might be able to find a platform that suits your needs better. Ultimately, the decision of whether Raiz fees are too high is a personal one. If you value the convenience and simplicity of Raiz's platform, the fees might be worth it. However, if you're more concerned about minimizing costs, you might want to explore other options. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And be sure to subscribe for more investment tips and insights.